Alright guys, good morning. Today we're gonna be changing a switch, the lower switch. My Taligagte doesn't open, but it does open with the remote, and I already tested. The switch I guess is broken, and they're not really expensive. It's like 20 bucks or less to change this. Here's the part number right there. I gotta open this up first because it works with the remote. Okay, I thought this would be a little easier. Ah, man, I never used this thing, even though I know I had it. Okay, now let's see. Let's try this out. Hold on. Where's the switch? Switch is here. That's when you gotta put these covers off. Let's put one of these covers off and see. There we go. There's a plug. Here's the just the little clips. Here's the handle. 10 right here, 10 on this side, and then we can get this left out. Ten. Oh. There's cables to find out which one is for what. Gotta push it down. There we go. Hop. And here's the switch. Doesn't work. This one works. The bottom one doesn't. So that's the cable right there. Right there. Here's your main plug. Pull this little red pin out. Press it. That's it. Goes to here. Alright. Now we got the clips holding this up. No? Let's switch off. Yep, it's only holding the clips. That's it. Alright. Press this little in. Hop. Oh, I gotta unscrew all this stuff. Take all those bolts off, I guess, because this goes this way. Alright, I just got torx. Again, torx 15 or smaller. Yep. Make this a little bit easier. Let's disconnect everything so we don't break the cables. It'll just be easier. Oh. Now the camera cable. Oh, broke this crap. It's no good. It'll still stay on. I'm just not gonna hold this good. Alright. Oh yeah, you gotta take this little plastic out. Hold all these. It should come off technically. Yep. See? Now we got to the switch. We'll probably wash this light and clean up the camera. Now we press these two things together. There you go. I got the old switch. Oh, I know what the issue was. Maybe the switch wasn't even bad, but as you can see, there's corrosion on the plug. So let's see. That could be the issue. It wasn't even a switch, it was the actual plug corroded. So we're gonna spray some electric grease in here. So I think this is the issue. Let's go get some stuff in there. This is really good stuff. Let's try this out. Let's spray it over there and see if we get it to work. Oh yeah, it's corroded. One of the pins are corroded. So I guess it wasn't the switch after all, I think. Hold on. Okay, let's see. Nothing, huh? But we're gonna go close it first. Probably that's why it's not working. Hold on. Nope. Let's connect the new one. I think it's the switch here. Look at that. Instantly. Okay, so corroded one thing. I sprayed some in there, but the switch was definitely broken. Let's put this back together. See the old switch. All right. All these screws to put back in. All these screws gotta go back in. That's why I have screws. Here it is. One more. One less screw over there. Okay. And screw missing. It's connected. Put this back in. Hop. Alright, don't forget to plug all your stuff in. Everything is plugged in. But you still can't go back in. Beautiful. Put your sleeves back in. Because I didn't have to take this off after all. Perfect. See, press this thing. Oh. And open right here. Literally, so you didn't have to unscrew anything. Save yourself some time. Thank you later. It works. Oh, all right. Works perfect.